see like how this side is, okay, and then this side, look at the angle, how it's going up.
Open
and
real
then
fast.
like I can even lift it up even more.
And
Okay.
can you feel anything when he tugs it like that?
No, she's good. Okay, so we can do it like
Wow,
this.
pretty.
Okay, and then sometimes we can do two, so it stays up like this and twist them, you know, but we can try only with one. Okay, and then
Wow, it's so pretty.
that's it. This the replaying a little bit, it will be better by itself. As I said, I can correct it or just leave it like this, and the skin will correct itself.
Okay.
Okay, so we're doing the, you can see all the Foxy eyes. She's Jasmine's happy now. So and then, you know, I did two here on this side, because we can twist them. Sometimes we can even do one, but two will lift better. And then the bunching of the tissue, that's okay, it'll correct itself. I'd rather not do anything about it. And then we can either tie them together or twist them like this. Okay, and that will just make them attach better and stay in place better. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Okay, we're almost done.
Okay.
Looks good. We'll just make sure.